In this video, we'll see how to create a task chain in SAP Datasphere. With a task chain, you no longer need to create several tasks in different editors, which can be time-consuming. You create multiple tasks into one single task chain and run the task chain once or periodically through a schedule. Let's see how to do so. Go to the Data Builder and click New Task Chain. In the Task Chain editor, drag and drop objects from the repository to the Canva. When you drag a second object in the task chain, you will have to decide if it is a new task, if you want to replace the existing task with this new one, or if you want to add the object as a parallel task. Choosing the Add as New Task option automatically connects the new object task to the previous one. Choosing the Add as Parallel branch will create another branch in your task chain. Both of these tasks will be run at the same time. On the right side panel, you can see the properties of a task chain if you click on the Canva. You can update these properties. For example, give a name to your task chain. If you select one particular object of the task chain, you can see its properties. Once you have configured your task chain, save it and deploy it. You can now run the task chain or create a schedule to run it periodically. Once the task chain run has started, it will continue running as long as possible until all tasks has been completed. You can request SAP Datasphere to send you an email when the task is completed. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching.